Welcome everyone to my new price prediction video presentation, episode number 5 out of a series of 100 for Chainlink on 2024. We're looking for discovering the most important things in a rational way, as usually taking through the process of what's happening on the chart side for us to be able to portray a realistic prediction for 2024. Chainlink is delivering very well from all sorts of corners. I don't have to talk about what is Chainlink as a review process, as you already guys know about, and the internet is full of information. What does it mean, Chainlink? But at the end of the day, something that we'd like to discover and uncrypt is the price prediction for the upcoming year 2024. Currently, it's ranked number 12. It's close to $17, and it's performing at $1 billion volume for the last 24 hours. Before we get into the topic, make sure to like the video if you enjoyed this one, subscribe to the YouTube channel if you want to see more videos like this, as well as ask me questions in the comments area. Don't forget about that, you can join my trades. We have basically trades running around. For example, there is a trade right now on $57,000 on Bybit, 25x leverage on the BTC. You can participate as well with my trades. No prior fee, only commission from the profits achieved where we perform the trading for you through API trading permission, and you pay the commission from the pure profits made every 7 days. We also have the option number 2 on a monthly fixed fee where you execute the signals by yourself. There is also the one-on-one coaching program for those of you that are serious around the cryptocurrency topic and they would like to maximize their weapons into performing on the markets. Whether we talk about a part-time or a full-time activity, this is something that you definitely need to consider in terms of high-level education intensively with me. So let's get into the links prediction for 1 week candlesticks we're looking at. This is the current scenario, guys. We have been through the crypto bear market, which actually started back in the day. It was, confirmed on the secondary top that has been made exactly in the encircled area. That was the time that was pointing out clearly they were not going to go back to the all-time high right there. We're not going back anymore to that. We're actually in the crypto winter period. I mean, the dump, by the time it has started for a couple of weeks. If you look at this thing, guys, I'm thinking you're going to get scared. There's 2 weeks of price action here. And the market has dumped 71% for Chainlink in 2 weeks. This is how a selling pressure looks on a cryptocurrency which is sitting on all-time high. This is why you need to consider the knowledge of trading, that you need to know how. This is why people that join the coaching as well say, I haven't sold in the previous bull market. I was holding my cryptos. I was riding through the entire, I haven't sold. This 2 weeks time window where the market's decreased 71%. It's of show. It's pretty clear for everyone that if you get caught into that specific highly emotional activity when this crypto is decreasing 20% in a day, you don't find yourself comfortable selling and you keep dreaming about the fact that the markets might recover and you hope to see the numbers you were seeing a couple of days ago, which will not come back to you only in a couple of years, when the new bull market is going to touch those numbers, right? So it is quite difficult if you don't have the proper knowledge to deal with these things. Now, we were going through the crypto winter, pushing down to the accumulation stage that has ended on May 2023. That's where the crypto winter ended, and then we're just ranging for the entire period of time. So it's a beautiful pattern because you have the winter ending in a range. As traditionally speaking, this is how the cycles are built, and then you have a pre-bull market cycle that is right now, which is great because we have quickly pushed into the supply area. This is something I really enjoy about. I mean, Chainlink was down to $4, $5, $6. I'm not sure if you can imagine that, but a couple of months ago, like 168 days ago, Chainlink was down by 220% from now. Chainlink, even from this price to the all-time high comparison, is at 214% away. I mean, with $10,000, that means $30,000 in your account. Obviously, without margin, it is just a $20,000 increase. It is not numbers that you guys consider like becoming financial free with 10 grand, as you see, by doing spot trading is not possible. So you need to maximize somehow, which you can do through derivatives on leverage, or you can do through spot by trading the movements, accumulating more coins. And instead of making 200% on derivatives futures, you can do it on a percentage possibility and scenario somewhere around 3,000, 5,000, 6,000% in the bull market. You can imagine that everything is multiplied with 5, 10, 15, 20x, all the earnings, all the movements of the market. Even a 10% movement in the market is representing 100% on your margin. A 20% movement on the market is representing 200% on your margin on the 20x leverage side. So Link right now is in a situation of a strong fight with a supply level that is not going to be easy to break out, yet it has all the conditions and circumstances to do it. So what we're looking for is to touch basically the golden pocket level, retrace, build up a zone of liquidity right there, and get it ready to push basically to the $34. The $34, $35 major supply level at the top is the only structure of resistance that is existent in the market before the acceleration phase of the bull market starts. The acceleration phase of the bull market will send us to the triple digits area. So Chainlink is no longer going to have targets in the bull market for 2025 between the current level or 0 to 100. No, Chainlink is going to be into the sector of triple digits, which means above $100. But now in 2024, numbers are going to be pretty much different. So the idea is that we need to be above one key level before the accelerated phase of the bull market starts. This is this specific supply level at $34, $35. That is the level where you need to be located at the time the accelerated phase of the bull market begins. If you're there, then obviously targets of $200, $300 for Chainlinks are all sitting on the table and they're feasible to be achieved. From this level we're trading right now, if you imagine a 10x for the end of the bull market is not a crazy wild prediction. If you imagine a 15x is already strong, but a 20x, 30x is not going to be easy to be achieved from here. However, it depends where do we finish our 2024 and how are we going to be portrayed at the time we enter into the accelerated phase of the bull market. So 34, 35 bucks right there. We want to take the liquidity out of the encircled area. We want to push into the range of 1.414, 1.272 as well and deal with the numbers there. So totally speaking, in a nutshell, this whole picture looks great, guys, for Chainlink and the way it is portrayed right now. We definitely need to climb into this specific zone as soon as possible in 2024 above the golden pocket between 35. All right, so we need to climb quickly into that zone after we are managing some volume movements. Climb into that zone and have your activity into that range. Get yourself ready and push basically toward 34, 35. In order to break out of that, it's not going to be an easy deal. For example, if you touch that, you're going to have to struggle with probably a couple of months with that price range. So then you can actually start thinking about the breakout point, which has to be built, right? So it will not happen over the night or just a single movement from here straight away like this. It is extremely, extremely less likely to happen for Chainlink. That's pretty much all on the topic, folks. This is where we are at the moment with Chainlink. Once again, for those of you that would like to participate in my trades and be part of the process, no prior fee, only commission from pure profits made, where we perform the trading for you through API trading permission, and you are basically paying the commission every 7 days. Option number 2 is based on a monthly fixed fee where you execute the signals and handle the complete process on your side. Now, there's also the one-on-one coaching, which is the most important thing. This is basically the place where I am making sure you are having the knowledge of a trader, whether we talk about part-time or full-time, day trading, swing trading, or any other form of trading existent, is basically covered during the coaching. where I'm taking you by hand and sharing with you my screen, doing the technicals with you, approaching strategies, indicators, presenting you the explanations behind everything, making sure you have the clear understanding by giving you exercises, homeworks, dealing with them, correcting them, explaining the mistakes, and going through the process brick by brick, step by step, in order to construct your knowledge. As well, we have the live trading part where you start trading and we deal with the markets as they are in the most real way. So this is a comprehensive coaching program. You can watch the video to understand how does it work and register now for more information. That's pretty much all, guys, on the topic. Have a beautiful day. Looking forward to it. We'll talk to you soon. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like this video.